What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Lexus IS350 key fob here. Today, I'm going to show you how to open it to replace the battery. So if we look at the left side of the key fob, you have a button right here that says push. We're going to push the top of it and hold it down like this, and that's going to allow us to pull out the emergency key. It just unlocks the emergency key. Now we're going to split the remote open. There is a slot right here, okay, right in the middle. We're going to put the screwdriver in. All we're going to do is give it a turn, okay? We're not going to pry it. We're just going to turn it. And when we turn it, it just pops it open. Okay, this prevents you from doing any kind of damage to the remote. We don't want to damage this nice ass remote. We'll take the cover off. We're going to hold it like this, okay? All this can actually fall out. Buttons can fall out. We're going to hold it like this so it doesn't fall out. Put your thumb kind of halfway on this battery and just pry it out without touching the board, okay? You don't want to touch the board with your metal screwdriver. All right, so here's the size of the battery. It's going to be a CR2032 battery with a positive sign facing out towards us. When you get your new one, you just stick it in here just like this. All right, the top part first, and then lock it in like that. All right, so if you need a battery, you check down in the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery for like $2. It will be the correct size for this remote. Get the back half, stick it back on top. We're going to work from the top down. Just gently push it all back together until it snaps and clicks. Emergency key goes back in. If it locks, you're all done. Well, I hope this video was quick and straightforward. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate it. I hope to see you again in another video.